details are emerging tonight about Friday's deadly crime spree, and what we're learning is that it was more dangerous than we thought, and it could have been even more deadly.
Yeah, we already know that Marcelo Marquez is accused of shooting 3 deputies, killing 2 of them. But according to the criminal complaint filed today, Marquez also fired at 2 other deputies.
The complaint also says after the shooting of 2 Placer County deputies, Marquez stole their patrol car and a 12-gauge shotgun belonging to the deputies.
The complaint goes on to say Marquez unsuccessfully tried to steal other cars, and there is at least 1 other victim of an attempted carjacking.
KCRA3's Shara Shams was in court when the suspects in the deadly shooting spree made their first court appearance. Shara, this couple faces some serious charges and more could be on the way.
Kelly, it sounds today like we really are only beginning to learn the extent of everything that happened on Friday. As to Marquez, the man who authorities believe led that series of carjackings and pursuits and shootings, they also say today they're still trying to figure out exactly who he is. He stood in a cage surrounded by 6 deputies with another 5 in the back of the courtroom.
Murder Sacramento County Sheriff's Deputy Daniel Oliver.
The judge would not allow photography of his face in the courtroom. His hand shook as an interpreter read the charges, and another is still bandaged. Deputies say he was wounded during Friday's shootings. When the judge asked his name today,
Luis Enrique Monroy Bracamonte.
He gave what immigration agents say is his real name, though it's different than the name he allegedly gave sheriff's investigators when he was arrested, Marcelo Marquez.
We are still awaiting formal confirmation of his fingerprints and actual identity. We have reason to believe that he's used many different identities in different jurisdictions.
According to a criminal complaint, Marquez and his wife, Janelle Monroy, who also appeared in court today, committed even more crime than we first knew. Marquez allegedly fired at a total of 5 deputies, stole a Placer Sheriff's patrol vehicle, and a deputy's 12-gauge rifle. Today, District Attorney Jan Scully was asked if she will seek the death penalty.
We anticipate making that, not rushing with it, but making that decision at the earliest opportunity, and once we make that decision, we will announce it.
Neither Monroy nor Marquez entered a plea. Peter Cometto is Monroy's attorney.
Traditionally, in this particular county, you don't, because it starts the clock ticking in terms of when you have to get to a preliminary hearing, when you get to a trial.
As you saw, Marquez's face was visible from a distance at least when he was being wheeled on a gurney into a hospital Friday, and authorities in Arizona have released mugshots of his from past arrests. Still, prosecutors here in Sacramento County say they want to be extra cautious because there are these questions over his identity and even the question of whether more witnesses might come forward, so they don't want to allow his face to be photographed in court. Now, there's much, much more to this story. Tonight at 6 o'clock, White Sheriff Scott Jones says the 2 suspects may be moved from this jail and out of the county altogether. Live here in downtown Sacramento, I'm Shara Shams, KCRA 3 News.
Okay, we look forward to that, Shara. Thank you.